Hi students, look at that problem. Evaluate by using algebraic identities. First one solution 3x minus 2y plus 4 into 3x minus 2y minus 4. You look at this. I'll just rearrange them. How? 3x minus 2y together plus 4 together. Here also 3x minus 2y together minus 4. Now observe this. It is in the form of a plus b into a minus b. You remember that formula? A plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. Since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square, right? Did you understand this step? A plus b into a minus b. I told you formula a square minus b square. Now again it looks like a minus b whole square. We know that formula a minus b whole square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, right? Minus 4 square means 16. So what did I use here? A minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. This is the formula. Now simplify this. 3x whole square. What is meant by 3x whole square? 3x into 3x. 3 3s are 9. X into x, x square. So 3x whole square means 9x square minus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12. xy. 2y whole square. That means 2y into 2y. 2 2s are 4. Y into y, y square. So 4y square minus 16. That is the final answer. We cannot simplify this further. So final answer is 9x square minus 12xy plus 4y square minus 16. That is simplified answer. Okay. So two formulas we used here. What is that? First one is a plus b into a minus b. Second one is a minus b whole square. Let us see second one. Second solution. Second solution 5x minus 3y plus 2 into 5x plus 3y plus 2. Is this in the form of that? Observe 5x minus 3y, but here 5x plus 3y is there. Okay? Then I will do one thing. 5x plus 2 write together minus 3y write together. Here also 5x plus 2 write together plus 3y write together. Now is that okay? See, it is a minus b, a plus b. So what is the formula for a plus b into a minus b? A square minus b square. So 5x plus 2 whole square minus 3y whole square. So what is the formula used here? A plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay. So a plus b whole square again. A plus b whole square, I know a square plus 2ab plus b square minus 3y whole square means 3 3 is 9, y into y square. So what is the formula used here? Since a plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Clear? 3y whole square, 3y into 3y, that means 9y square. 5x whole square, 5x into 5x, 25x square, right? 25x square. 2 5s are 10, 10 2s are 20x plus 2 2s are 4 minus 9y square. So that is the final answer. Therefore answer is 25x square plus 20x minus 9y square plus 4. Okay. Let us see third one. Same model all. Third one. 3x plus 5y plus 2z, 3x minus 5y plus 2z. Is it in that form, direct form? No. 3x plus 2z write together plus 5y write separate. Now here there also 3x plus 2z separately minus 5y separate. Okay. Now it looks like a plus b into a minus b. So what can we write now? A square minus b square. A plus b into a minus b is equal to, what can we write? A square minus b square. It is the formula. Okay, a plus b into a minus b, a square minus b square. So again it looks like a plus b whole square, a square plus 2ab plus b square. 5y whole square means 25y square. So what is the formula we used here? A plus b whole square equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. Right? What is value of 3x whole square? 3 3s are 9, x square plus 2 3s are 6, 6 2s are 12, xz plus 2 2s are 4, z square minus 25 y square. So that is the final answer. 9x square 12xz plus 4z square minus 25y square. That is the end of solution. Okay. Fourth one. Look at the fourth one. Three x minus 5y minus 2z into 3x minus 5y plus 2z. So how do we simplify this? So it is direct form. 3x minus 5y write together minus 2z together. Here 3x minus 5y together plus 2z. Looks like that formula you see once. A minus b, a plus b. So I can write a square minus b square. A square minus b square. So since a plus b into a minus b equal to a square minus b square. Okay. Now it looks like again a minus b whole square as we did before. Looks like a square minus 2ab plus b square. A square minus 2ab plus b square, because it is in the form of a minus b whole square minus 2z whole square means how much? 2 2s are 4, z square. So I used a minus b whole square equal to a square minus 2ab plus b square. So 3 3s are 9x square, 2 3s are 6, 6 5s are 30xy plus 25y square 4z square. Therefore answer is 9x square minus 30xy plus 25y square minus 4z square. That is the final answer. Okay. So we have seen so far this algebraic formulae. Already I told you a plus b whole cube, right? What is the formula? A cube plus b cube plus 3ab into a plus b. Or we can write a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square. I told you yesterday. This one, a minus b whole cube. A cube minus b cube minus 3ab, all negatives you must write here, a minus b. Or a cube minus b cube minus 3a square b minus into minus plus 3ab square. These two are the cube of binomials. Now you look at a cube plus b cube. So very important. A plus b into a square minus ab plus b square. This is the formula for finding. That is the formula for finding a cube plus b cube. Okay. And similarly, a cube minus b cube also we can write. What is that? A minus b into a square plus ab plus b square. This is the formula for a cube minus b cube. Now from this I have one important result, that is a cube plus b cube. This term if I bring this side, what happens? A square minus ab plus b square equal to, directly you can write a plus b. Directly you can write a plus b. Here also if you bring this term this side, then a cube minus b cube by a square plus ab plus b square equal to a minus b. These are the useful formulae. So remember this, okay? In the previous class I told you one important formula, a cube plus b cube plus c cube minus 3abc equal to a plus b plus c into a square plus b square plus c square minus ab minus bc minus c. And one important result I told you, if a plus b plus c equal to 0, then a cube plus b cube plus c cube value 3abc. So this is the most important formula. Okay. Hope you have completed the problems, yesterday's problems given in the video. Hope you got everybody. So learn all these formulas and we will do some problems in the next class. Thank you.